Surprise.
Merry Christmas.
I'm not a normal teenager. Yearbook's most popular, and I was like, what?
I need toilet paper. Savannah is so helpful. Look at this. She got all of the kids' breakfast. She's all ready to go. She is so great and so helpful.
Thank you.
I'm all ready.
Good job. Lizzie's all ready. Everyone's ready to be at school today?
I'm ready to have power hour afterwards because I'm gonna take a nap.
Nice. Every morning when we wake up, we're like, oh, I'm so excited for a nap later. Doesn't usually happen, but it's wishful thinking. Okay, have a great day at school today, okay guys?
Okay.
I love you.
Love you.
There are days like today where I have a whole list of things that need to be done. Laundry being one of them. And as I'm folding laundry, I think, you know, some days it would be nice to not have anything to do. No list of things I need to do. But then I think that about soon I'm having surgery and I will be down for 6 weeks and I won't be able to do any of these things. And I think back to my last surgery when I was down for 6 weeks and think, you know, after 6 weeks of not doing anything, it's nice to fold laundry again. So I'm gonna have a good attitude about it, take advantage of it, and be able to do the things I need to do.
Okay, I'm like super confused because my friend just texted me and she's like, can you come to the school because you were voted yearbook's most popular? And I was like, what? There's some people at the school who have like so much more friends than me. I'm so confused. But yeah, she just texted me and she goes, yeah, you were voted yearbook's most popular, so can you come and take a picture? And I was like, first off, no, I can't come and take a picture, but second off, how? Who voted me? And she's like, a lot of people, and I just went, name 5, and she said, I don't know, I don't remember. So I don't know, I was voted most popular from the yearbook. What did you do, Gigo? What'd you do?
That's good.
Here you go. And you go like this.
Oh.
Gigo wasn't done eating, so we put his potty on the seat so he could finish eating. On Gigo.
Danielle, we have a surprise for you.
Surprise.
Merry Christmas.
Merry something. Ooh, packing list enclosed. Ooh, do not throw away.
I'm gonna
Stop. Keep this packaging for return shipment. Apparently you're donating something.
Maybe we gotta put you inside. And
That's why we keep all the boxes in the garage.
I know, right?
Oh boy.
All right, student headset with a mic.
Oh, it has a mic. What do we got here? Oh, this is a science kit. There's clay and safety glasses and like a breast pump or two or something like that. So it looks like. Sorry, what is it really? Are you excited for that? Do you like science?
Ooh, art kit.
Hold on, it
sweet.
says small choking hazard. Small
I
parts.
might choke on this. You gotta take it away.
Wait, what is in this?
Paintbrush, drawing
Paint
pencil,
set,
I wanna
drawing
see.
paper pad,
eraser
eraser.
needed. Sweet.
So this is your art kit.
Nice.
Homeschool's the coolest thing ever.
It is awesome.
I want to do homeschool. I never graduated, so maybe I can do
That's
it.
what I'm excited about. Look at that. Yoga.
Yoga for homeschool, wow.
Oh, nice.
What? Oh, look at this, The Giver.
I don't have
What's
to
that
buy
one?
her a book. I have it. I have it.
American History. Oh, that's awesome. So The Giver, there's that book.
a
I'm gonna
good
give you The Giver.
Wow.
Johnny
Oh,
Tremaine.
Johnny Tremaine.
A great year. It's going to be a great year. Inside tips to help new families start strong. Great ways to get involved. Make your opinion count. This is literature.
Oh, gross.
Hey, girls. And math. Why did they put literature and math at the bottom of the box?
Because it's gross.
Because it's not as exciting.
It's exciting. Math is very exciting. It is. You know how to use
Packing
it.
materials used for this shipment are recycled and environmentally friendly.
So, are you ready?
What?
For homeschool, it starts. It's finally starting.
I know.
Yay!
So,
On tomorrow. Right?
yeah.
Are you excited about that?
Yeah.
So, I have a confession, guys. Did you know that I didn't graduate high school? Why you laugh?
I didn't laugh.
Why you laugh?
I don't know. I didn't think that would be your confession.
I thought it
What do you
was
think my
gonna be
confession was?
I don't know.
like this.
it would be.
My confession is I didn't shower today yet.
Ew. My confession is Canyon likes to be awake all night and then won't take a nap.
It was a rough night.
Hi, Az.
Hi.
How was school?
Good.
Okay. What'd you do?
I was on the bowling center, but I like
Bowling center?
boring.
What do you do in the boring center?
You do math.
Oh, that is
Called
boring.
math.
That is boring. Az wants to go to his friend Kai's house, so I'm gonna take him over there.
Danielle, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, I forgot.
Uh-oh.
Savannah? Oh, you scared me.
I'm not Savannah. You already knocked. Okay, bye, Az. Bye, Az.
Bye. You are Hot Wheel cars? No, they're yours. Go steal them. It's not locked.
Hello. Why do you guys look so exhausted?
Because we're tired.
Savannah. Whoa. The question of the day is, can we relax your eyebrows?
No.
Now what do you want to do for power hour?
Sleep.
Lizzie?
Color.
Okay, go put your coats and backpacks and jackets and everything away. Hurry. Hello, beautiful girl. What is that thing going on there?
It's a face spasm. It means I got a headache and it won't go away.
Did anything exciting happen at school today?
No, not really.
What are you gonna do for power hour?
Sleep.
I need you to take Charlie
But it's power hour.
and go, you've had power afternoon.
No.
Yes. You have been drawing all afternoon. You've already had power hour. I need you to take Charlie and deliver these 2 invitations. Hurry, please.
Come on, Charlie. Pull it, come on.
Since I'm going to Thailand in a couple of weeks, I'm gonna go pick up some of my friends and we are gonna go shopping for some trip essentials. Johnny and I feel kind of ill-prepared, that we have no idea what kind of clothes we should wear, what kind of things we're gonna need for Thailand. We've never been there. We don't even really know a lot of people that have been there that can tell us what to expect. So I'm gonna go get some of my friends and they're gonna help me shop. One of my friends is actually going on the trip with us, so she's gonna be very helpful. Paige is really hungry and she ordered 3 meals and Becky's not eating anything.
I just don't eat.
Just kidding, Becky really is eating.
Steak.
And there's Paige's burger. This is amazing.
What is all over your face? You have red all over your face. It's chapstick.
That's okay. That's okay. I love you so much.
Hamburgers were on the menu tonight, and we decided that we didn't want to run to the store after Sarah had left, so we made macaroni and cheese and fish sticks. Easy stuff. Kids were happy. The kitchen's clean now. It happened so fast, but Allie decided to be picky instead. But not your standard picky kid.
I'm not a normal teenager.
She gets
A normal
excited.
teenager would be eating
Junk food.
junk food. I begged for Brussels sprouts.
It actually is
for
really
dinner.
good. I love Brussels sprouts.
I love Brussels sprouts.
I always heard when you were growing up, like everybody would like standardize, like, what is the term that parents always say to eat your greens? Eat your Brussels sprouts. Eat your Brussels sprouts. And I was like, I don't ever even want to try them.
I
You love
love
them.
Brussels sprouts.
So do I. I'm gonna steal like 7 of those.
No. So tomorrow is my friend Gage's birthday. On Thursday, I talked to his mom and we planned out a little party that she's gonna drive him down here and we're gonna have a little surprise party for him. And we're gonna go to Olive Garden and then watch The Force Awakens and just hang out for a little while. And I'm super excited because I haven't seen him in a while. So.
I just came home from shopping and no one is up here. It's clean and quiet up here, but I hear a lot of noise downstairs. Huh?
Starting a band.
Are you guys making a parody?
No.
Oh.
You're breaking stuff.
After all the shopping today, I ended up getting one t-shirt and jeans for the little boys.
Sarah sent me a message that said, what's my budget? And I said, just show me what you got and we'll just make the decision together. Didn't work out very well because her internet was not working very well. So we were sending pictures back and forth and getting very confused.
The text would not send, and then they send them over and over again, so.
2 days this week. 2 days at the gym this week. We've done it 2 days.
And that means we've done 3 weeks worth of
Right there.
back and chest. Look at those arms.
It's working.
Hubba hubba.
Not hubba hubba.
Don't I
it's
have a
just
cute
working.
husband?
It's working.
I have the cutest husband.
Look, look, look. If we go back to a video a few weeks ago, you could see like flab on here. It's not, it's like skin now. Isn't that cool?
Now it's skin.
Well, it was like flabby.
I have the cutest husband around.
Whatever, dude.
It's true.
Hello?
Mojo.
What? Are you in the bathroom?
I need toilet paper.
Unlock the door!
Here, shove it under the bottom. Hold on, I'm trying.
Ah, thank you.
Whoa. Hey, Canyon. Hey, did you know that that vacuum vacuums up yucky stuff and you're putting your mouth on it, dude? Did you know that that vacuums up dog poop? And you put your mouth on it? It doesn't vacuum up dog poop, but still, you put your mouth on it.